Got him. Sight fish that guy. Nice one. Calm down. There we go. That's a nice fish. It's about a pounder. Sight fished him right there. Saw one's bed. Cinco. It's a nice fish right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but he was right there. But yeah, it's a nice fish. There he goes. Got one, guys. It's pretty nice. There we go. Oh shoot. Flip him. Ah, there we go. Nice fish. There we go, guys. And that is a nice 2-pounder, guys. Look at that. That's a nice fish right there. Nice fish. What I did was I casted behind those 2 trees, not really trees, sticks sticking out of the water, and I thought I was snagging on one of those sticks, but it's a fish. It's a pretty decent one too. Alright guys, I'm gonna release this fish. There he goes. Got him. Sight fish that guy right there. That's a nice fish. There we go, got the hook out. It's a nice fish right there on the wacky rig Cinco. Big bite bait Cinco in crawl color. But yeah, that's a nice fish. Here it goes. Got him, guys. Oh, it's a pike. It's a pike, guys. Chain pickerel. Look at that, guys. Looky there. That is my first chain pickerel this size. That is pretty big too. Gosh, I'm gonna get back to you guys with this. I'm gonna get some pictures. Alright guys, I'm gonna release him now. I dropped him so he's a little dirty. Come on, guys. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Oh, that's a decent one, guys. Put them right in the bottom. Oh shoot. Calm down, buddy. Alright guys, I caught that bass on a Zoom Lizard right here. Nice little bass right there. About a pound. There he goes. Still can't believe I caught that jack or chain pickerel or whatever you want to call it, but that's the first time I've caught one that big, so that was pretty cool. Come, guys. There we go, guys. That's some wacky rig right there. What's you catching on? Wacky rig. Nice bass on a wacky rig, about a pound right there.